This is CAT S75, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. Firstly, find and launch the Google Drive app on your phone. Then you gotta tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option from the list over here, grant Google Drive app with the camera access, and then take a photo of whatever document you wanted to scan. So here is mine. I will quickly capture the picture of this document off the screen. So give me a few seconds. Now you can just look at the result. If you are satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If the photo you took does not please you, simply retake the picture. So now if you are ready to continue, please tap at this check icon over here. Then you will be forwarded to the interface that allows you to edit your final file or resulting file that you are about to create. You can change its color scheme, you can rotate it, or frame the part of the original photo you would like to actually end up in the file. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to frame the text and trim off extra unneeded paper edges. Then hit the save button. Now you can make final adjustments, such as renaming your PDF file, or perhaps changing Google account or Drive folder it will be saved to. Then hit the save button one final time, wait for your document to be uploaded to Drive, and here is the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.